Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn IELTS Writing Task 2 only way. Begin by analyzing the prompt and deciding your position in one sentence, then plan your ideas with topic sentences and supporting examples. Write a clear introduction and 2 well-developed body paragraphs with a balanced conclusion. Focus on coherence, vocabulary range, and grammar accuracy. Practice under timed conditions and review model answers to refine structure and tone for higher band scores. A reliable structure makes everything easier to write and to mark, so outline a 5-paragraph template you can adapt quickly. Spend 5 to 8 minutes planning ideas and examples, then allocate most time to body paragraphs. Keep paragraphs focused on one main idea each and use linking phrases to guide the reader. Finish with a concise conclusion that restates your position and summarizes key points in natural language. If this content is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more lessons. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Choose Darn Tough for long-lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty that keeps your feet happy during long study sessions. I mention this because small comforts make long practice blocks easier. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Vocabulary and grammar consistency are the engines that drive band improvement, so collect useful phrases and sentence structures for common essay types. Paraphrase questions and practice varied sentence forms, including complex and compound sentences, to show range. Regularly write timed essays, then edit them carefully for clarity and error reduction. Seek feedback from teachers or peers, and revise weak areas consistently to turn mistakes into lasting improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.